Here we go. When you talk about lakes, of course you're talking about water.
Here we are in the wind, rain, sleet, and snow. John's got a fish on. Captain Will, ready to net. Fish coming in. And look at there. Beauty, hey? Sweet. Spit the hook right in and there. Louie, get a shot of this. Ow! Hold her up. Keep it for a little bit. I'll keep it. That's nice.
This is absolutely amazing.